Going 4 countries in one vacation.
Yes.
That sounds good? You'll have the best vacation ever?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes. Best vacation ever!
It's the last day of school for Tyler. Here we go. Good morning, my Tai. It's the last day of school. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Last day of school. Let's go. Last day of school. Let's go.
I only sleep 3 hours.
You only sleep 3 hours? Why you think that?
Because I sleep.
No, you've been sleeping for over 9-10 hours.
No, 3 hours.
You've been sleeping from about 9 p.m. Taya. Now it's after 7 a.m. Let's go. Come on, let's go have breakfast. Let's go. It's the last day of school. Have that energy. Don't let me start counting.
I'm tired.
You're tired? But guess what? It's the last day of school. So you don't got to be tired. Because tomorrow you can sleep in your bed. You can sleep in your bed tomorrow. You don't have to wake up and go to school. Let's go.
Stop.
What you want for breakfast?
Crepe.
Crepe.
Mama, can you bring my breakfast here on
No, you're gonna mess up the bed. Come on.
No, please. I want it
No.
just like my birthday.
Yes, but today's not your birthday. Dad, not this morning. Hello. Don't wake up your sister. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Let's do it today.
No, come. It's the last walk to school for this semester. No more school until September. It's the last day. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new beautiful sunny day here in beautiful Nice, France. Why am I doing this with my shoulder? I don't know. But Sarah, where is she going with this scooter, Lord? Look at Sarah. You guys, can you see her? Look at her. You want to tell me where she's going with that scooter as if she can ride it? Sarah, what are you doing? Bring it back outside, please. Look at her. She knows what to do. Sorry, it doesn't move by itself. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Today? We can do it later? Or when Sarah goes to bed? Look at her. Look at her going for another one. Sarah, no! Sarah, no! Lord have mercy, help our soul. You guys, look who is home today. Mr. Francis is home today.
Hi guys, good morning.
You guys, what was I saying before I tell you 101 things at the same time? Look at Sarah. Look at her, look at her. And she's not stopping, she's not giving up. You want a spoon or a fork? Fork. Anyway, you guys, today is the last day of school for Tyler. As you guys can see, this morning he went off to school and he's pretty excited. Sarah and another scooter is fighting. She want to bring it in the hall. You guys have to see what's going on. Look at her. Look at this warrior child. Look at her. Watch her. Watch her. She bringing one already, you know. Sarah, what in God's name are you doing? That's not how you ride it. That's not how you ride it. You have to put one foot down and go, But you have to come off.
I think I should put the oil on.
If you want, if olive oil is fine. You finish?
Yeah.
You taste it, and if you like it, you can put it on it. There's nothing wrong. Taste the liquid. And if you like it, then you can put it on it. You can use the same fork. You don't want much to taste it. You're gonna drink a spoon. You finish? You guys, I just made him a salad for lunch, and he's adding his cheese to it. Let me show you, babe, lunch. It looked delicious, but I'm not a fan of cheese like that. Feta cheese, one of the best salad cheese, but babe love it. So yeah, that's babe lunch. Anyway, you guys, this vlog is just all over the place. What do you want? What do you want? You want popcorn? Okay, I'll give you popcorn. Watch your fingers. She's thank you. Thank you. You guys, oh my gosh, I don't even know where I was. Anyway, baby's home today. Baby's working from home today, and it's the last day of vacation, of school for Tyler before vacation. So Tyler is pretty excited about that. And Sarah is just here whining, and Mel is just here trying to multitask and figure out life with everybody. I've been up from morning trying to get some stuff done. I got a little workout in. Go, I'm going to stick it on the table for you. There you go. Oh, now I can talk in peace. I arranged my closet, which I've been wanting to do for a long time now. Organize my clothes, take out what I need to take out, put in what I need to put in, and stuff like that. It's lunchtime, but I'm not feeling hungry, so I'm gonna wait a bit before I eat. I need to start getting some work done for today. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. And if you are new to the channel, of course, you know what to do, right? Subscribe. You have to do that. And if you're watching for a while and you haven't subscribed yet, then girl, why? Just tell me why in the comment section. I know you won't tell me why, not because you don't have a reason, goodie. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and at the end of today's vlog I will be telling you guys who are the winners of the giveaway. So don't skip through. Okay, finish watch the vlog and then you go and see if you are the winner. I won't put it at the end either, and I'm not going to tell you where it's going to be. That way you just have to watch all of the vlog, right? Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and we'll see you guys at some point through today. Do you want to say hi? Say hi. No? You want to say hello? Hello. You're just gonna look and don't say anything. You give them some of your popcorn, share your popcorn with them? No? No? You're not sharing your popcorn? Hmm? Look, give them. They're waiting for some of your popcorn. Popcorn, please. You girl need to go and take off your pajama and get your hair comb and get ready for a nap. Comb here before a nap. What are something? What are you doing? You're too funny. You're gonna have your popcorn and then we go take a nap, okay? Okay? Okay, so I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys for entering the giveaway that we had last week. You guys did amazing. You guys said in your entries. We have 3 lucky winners right here in my hand, so I just want to say congratulations to the winners, and for who didn't win, better luck next time. We're gonna have more giveaways on this channel from us personally. So I just want to let you guys know who are the winners, and if you guys don't claim your prize within the next 3 days, then it's going to go on to another person. So if you are one of the 3 winners, please ensure to email me your mailing information at melissawallacedelaveaus@gmail.com. That way I can send your information to the company so the company can send off the gifts to you, because the gifts are not with me, they're coming directly from the company. And in order for me to play it fair, the winners were chosen at random. The names were just selected at random. The 3 winners are: winner number 1 is Deborah Rogers from KC, USA. Winner number 2 is Maxine McCarthy from UK, and winner number 3 is Sheppy Bradshaw from Canada. All right, you guys, there goes the 3 winners. Congratulations to you guys, and send me your information. That way you can claim your prize at melissawallacedelaveaus@gmail.com. And better luck next time to everyone. Love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Okay.
So Tyler, what do you want to do for your vacation?
Go to the pool every day.
You want to go to the pool
You want
every
to go to the
day
pool every day?
for the 62 days.
Remember, Mama and Papa said they don't have any money to go anywhere on vacation,
Yes, but they want to go at the pool.
so that's okay.
That's the only thing you want to go is to the pool.
Yes.
And you'll be happy with that. Hmm?
Yes.
You want to do something else than going to the pool?
Yes.
What you wanna do?
Go to Burger King, McDonald's, and KFC every day.
So you can go 1 time to Burger King, 1 time to McDonald's, 1 time to KFC, and 1 time where else you want to go?
Subway.
And 1 time to Subway too.
What do you want to eat at Subway?
Sandwich.
Okay, Mama and Papa have something to tell you.
What?
We
I'm going on vacation somewhere!
will go on vacation too. We'll go out of the house for like 4 weeks. So
Wait, Isola!
What?
Because they want to go to Isola. They're going to Isola?
No.
No.
Tell me!
No, we're not
No,
going
tell
to
me,
Isola.
please!
Isola is the mountain where we always go.
We're going to different places.
Listen to what Papa said and you'll figure it out.
Places that you never been.
That you always say you want to go to.
So we will go. I won't tell you everywhere
I
we
know!
will go.
I know! Disneyland Paris!
So we will go to Paris for about 2 weeks and a half, okay? And once we're in Paris, what we're
Stand
gonna
up
do?
so the camera can see
Go
you.
to the Eiffel Tower!
Yes,
And
we'll
go
go to the Eiffel
Disneyland?
Tower, and we also go to Disneyland.
Yes! 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 I'm so happy!
So we will go in August. We won't go in July.
We got the end of this month, so you have to count to the end of the month.
Papa gonna walk all July. So when July finish, we can go in vacation for the entire month of August.
So Tyler, we're going to do a road trip. We're doing a road trip for 4 weeks to Paris and come back.
You know what is a road trip?
Yes.
What is it?
It's when we going in that car and we go far away.
Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop at different places.
So we're gonna stop a lot of places throughout the 4 weeks.
So,
Stop writing, we're talking to you.
We're also going to a place that is in the mountain.
Isola?
No, a
that you
different
don't
place.
know.
We're gonna stop a lot of different places.
We will go to a place that there's volcano. We will see volcano.
And we're gonna stop in a special city.
And we
Yeah, tell him the city.
stop in a city, in a special. Which city you want to go? If we have to go to a city
That you always say you
different
want to
than
go.
Paris, where you want to go?
I know!
Where you want
Where?
to go?
Canada.
No, a city. A city in France.
In France?
Yes.
I don't know.
Where you were born.
I remember. I wanted to go to Nevers.
So you want to stop in Delaveaus?
Yes. And also at Dijon and all the cities that are in France. And when we reach Paris, we want to stay there forever.
No, we're not.
Why?
We're gonna stay.
Why?
Stop.
You're gonna stay until vacation will be finished because you're gonna have to come back for school CE1.
So yes, we're gonna stop in Nevers, and yes, we're gonna be in Paris. So you're gonna go in Paris and see the Mona Lisa, and see Eiffel Tower,
What is
see
Mona
the
Lisa?
Louvre,
You want to
the
go see
special painting that's done by.
Leonardo da Vinci?
No, it's too good.
Are you finally gonna see Eiffel Tower?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
So we're
I'm
gonna do
going to
a,
share Paris. I'm going to make the drive for Paris.
so we're gonna do a good amount of things, okay? And we're going to see Auntie Agnes.
So we're going on vacation.
When it's going to snow again in
Oh, maybe.
I have no idea, maybe
snow
never.
again. We just have to wait in winter. Maybe in winter it will, maybe it won't. We just have
So
to
we'll
wait.
be at home for the rest of the month until.
So you can go pool every day in July and
And
get
then
some
we'll
rest.
pack our suitcase.
And we,
Yes, and my suitcase is going to be this.
okay,
I'm going to take out all my things in here. I'm going to put them in my chores.
okay.
And this is good. And then in there I'm going to
And
put
you know we will
all
go to
things.
other places that we didn't tell you. We might go to another country too.
Canada.
No,
No.
a country in Europe.
Which other country in Europe you know?
What is Europe?
Europe is all the countries close to
Oh, we
this
know.
area.
I know
Which other country you know?
Europe.
Close to
I know
France.
Italy.
Uh-huh.
Hmm?
Europe and also
You know where Tata Shana live? Where Tata Kimi live?
We might go to Netherlands.
what is Netherlands?
That's the name of a
That's the
country.
name of a country.
Oh,
We might go to Belgium. Maybe to Luxembourg.
York.
Luxembourg.
I want to go to New York and
You
We're
don't
not
go
going
to
to New
New
York
York.
this summer. We go to New York another summer, not this summer.
We
We
might
went
go
to
to
Paris this
Luxembourg
summer.
too. We might go to Germany. Want to go to Germany?
What is Germany?
Germany is a
That's another
country.
country.
When they eat big sausage.
What?
And lots of beer.
You know what?
What?
I already eat a German sausage at canteen.
Alright, it's a big sausage.
He
right?
already eat a German sausage at canteen.
It's a big one.
So
So
you-
how about going 4 countries in one vacation?
Yes.
That sound good? You'll have the best vacation ever?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes. Best vacation ever!
Anyway, let's go enjoy Paris on vacation, right?
Yes.
And all the other
Right.
And I
countries.
just start
High
to
five.
do my
do vacation.
I'm going to start right now to do my suitcase.
Tyler, you have a month.
Y'all see why we can't tell Tyler nothing in advance?
Because then he will tell to the entire world.
And he wants to start packing his suitcase right now.
Tyler,
Never tell the kids anything until the night before.
Tyler can't keep secrets.
Oh no. But the reason why we can't hide it from Tyler anymore is because I have to prepare things and he's gonna be home now and he's gonna see me doing this and doing that. I said, Mama, what you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Where are we going? Are we going somewhere? That's Tyler. So might as well we just tell him right now. But anyway, you guys, there you guys. Find out with Tyler where we're going. 4 countries in one vacation. So nice about. Nice. No?
Sounds good.
Don't be an epic 4-week on the road, but we are so looking forward to it. Oh my gosh. And of course we're gonna take you guys along every week. So be ready for August full of excitement. Okay? July gonna full of excitement too, but not far away excitement. So vacation is officially on in this household because Tyler no longer is at school. You guys, Sarah writing up on this place is still on a roll. She wrote up on the couch this morning, Lord have mercy, with chalk. I was in the room folding some clothes and babe said, honey, Sarah, right on the couch. The couch and the table was decorated into orange chalk. It's a good thing it's chalk.